Imagine receiving a fine equal to 7% of your company's total global revenue. That is not a hypothetical. That is the maximum penalty under the EU AI Act, and it is now law. AI regulation is no longer a future problem. It is a present reality. In the next 3 minutes, you will know which regulations your leadership team needs on its radar without needing to become a lawyer. The EU AI Act classifies every AI system into one of four risk tiers. Unacceptable risk is banned outright. Think AI that manipulates behavior or enables mass surveillance. High risk requires strict oversight before deployment. This includes AI used in hiring, healthcare, and financial decisions. Limited risk carries transparency requirements. Minimal risk is largely unrestricted. If you operate in Europe or sell to European customers, this law applies to you directly, regardless of where your business is headquartered. In the United States, there is no single federal AI law yet. Instead, you get a patchwork: executive orders from the White House, guidance from the FTC, sector-specific rules from financial and healthcare regulators, and a growing number of state-level laws. California, Colorado, and New York are each creating their own requirements. For global businesses, this means navigating overlapping and sometimes conflicting obligations in every market you operate. The direction of travel is clear: more regulation, more enforcement, more accountability. Three industries face the most immediate regulatory pressure right now. Healthcare, HIPAA, governs how patient data can be used, and it applies fully to any AI tool that touches that data. Financial services, regulators expect you to explain and defend every algorithmic decision that affects a customer. Employment, using AI in hiring carries real legal exposure. Amazon scrapped its AI recruiting tool in 2018 after it was found to systematically downgrade resumes from women. The courts and regulators have taken notice. There is a dimension most executives miss entirely. Governments are now regulating AI exports the same way they regulate weapons and dual-use technologies. The United States and China are in an open AI arms race, and it affects your supply chain, your talent pool, and your technology access. Here is the number every board should know. TSMC in Taiwan manufactures over 90% of the world's most advanced AI chips. One geopolitical event reshapes the entire AI infrastructure landscape overnight. This is a board-level strategic risk, not a technology conversation. You do not need to become a legal expert, but you do need three things in place before your next AI deployment. 1. A standing process for monitoring regulatory developments as they happen, not after a fine lands. 2. Your legal team in the room when AI deployment decisions are made, not consulted afterward. 3. A clear answer to which regulations govern your data, your industry, and your customers today. The executive who understands the regulatory landscape makes faster, smarter AI decisions than the one who does not.